ਹਰਮਨ ਆਨ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ
ਯਾਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਬਟਨ ਜਿਹਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਲਾਲ ਜਿਹਾ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਦਿਖ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਿਹਾ ਭਰਾ
ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ
Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. As this channel is fairly new, I want to explain what this channel is all about. So, brief introduction here for you. We are two brothers, both working as software developers and multinationals. Yeah, I know it's a typical 9 to 5 job, but it is what it is. You do get the idea that we do have a sedentary lifestyle, but that's not all. Aside from these jobs, we love lifting weights. When I say weights, I mean really heavy weights.
Heavyweight! Yeah, buddy!
So before that, we have been lifting weights for just like general fitness, but now we have decided to compete next year. So what we have decided is, okay, let's do the vlogs for all the trainings that we are doing inside and outside the gym, and maybe share our experience. So maybe if you are doing so, or maybe if you are planning to compete, or just the general fitness, maybe you can relate or learn something. If you are new here, I would say consider subscribing, and if you are a returner subscriber, thanks for coming back, and let's move to the topic of the day. With that being said, today's topic is powerlifting development block. Some people call it as strength block, hypertrophy block, and some people also call it pivot block as well. Okay, so in this video, I'll be sharing 5 things with you guys about our development block. The 5 things are how long, why we have chosen this length of this block. The third thing is intention of this block. Fourth thing is weight selection. And the last one is where we are heading after the strength development block. So let's start with how long. So typically our development block lasts for 4 weeks. Week 1 is a lot of volume on all the lifts, and from second to third week we start progressing on weight and then a bit less volume, and fourth week is the heaviest, which is mostly 5x5. Please know that in this dev block we are not doing any singles, any doubles, or any heavy triples. Why we don't do any heavy single, double, or triple? That's totally a different topic, but I will be covering that in a different video, maybe in the same series. Secondly, why this length? I want to say my life, my rules, but this is not the right way to talk to people. So the right reason is that we want to ensure that we are resensitizing our body after every development block. The goal is not to get fatigued from our training, but to get an adequate stress so that we can keep on making gains in every development block. Third thing is intention. Intention of these development block is to build muscle, stay lean, and stay healthy. That brings me to the point number 4, which is weight selection. So in this blocks, we have decided to start our block with 65 to 66% of 1 rep max and go till 75, 76 or 77% of our 1 rep max. The real reason to keep these weights low in this dev blocks is that we want to control the weight. We are not trying to see how much weight we can do for the 7 reps, 6 reps, or the 5 reps. The goal is to make sure that every week is competitive from the last week. One thing to note down here is that we are not using the same weight in every development block. An example would be, if I'm starting this block with 225 for 7 reps, I'll be starting the next block with, let's say, 240 for 7 reps. So this way I'm progressing in every development block. Okay, so the last thing is, where are we heading after this block? So after this strength development block, we will have another development block, but in that development block, we will be switching movements. We will be keeping the high bar in our development block, but we will be switching to sumo, and in bench, we will be switching to the close grip bench press. Now you might have this question, why we are switching these movements in next dev block? Why don't keep it same? Well, reason is same. To resensitize our body with new movements so that we don't get fatigued and we keep on getting adequate stimulus for our gains. Okay, enough talking. You might be thinking, how can I follow the exact same principle for my own dev block? Well, answer is simple. You cannot. Everyone is different and everyone responds to different stimulus. What you can do is if you are in your off season or just starting powerlift, you can use these principles in gym. I assure that you will never hit plateaus. And if you have already hit a plateau, let me know in the comments because I do have a video coming up on plateaus. Alright, short but comprehensive video today, but stay tuned for more training and informational videos. We do have planned to post one video once a week every Saturday. So do subscribe, leave a comment and smash that like button. Till then, peace out.